Today we will study about inhibitors of DNA replication. Those inhibitors or compounds which inhibit the process of DNA replication. So, most inhibitors of DNA synthesis do not discriminate between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. DNA inhibitors are categorized into three categories. First one is reagents interacting with DNA. This may be mutagens or agents which interfere with replication. And mutagens may be alkylating agents. They all carry one, two or more alkyl group in reactive form. They are electrophilic reagents and react with nucleophilic centers, particularly react with guanine at the N7 atom. And alkylation of purines in position 7 give rise to unstable quaternary nitrogen, so that the alkylated purine may separate from deoxyribose, leaving a gap which might interfere with DNA replication or cause mutation, because DNA polymerase enzyme will pause over there. Okay, an example are dimethyl sulfate, methyl methane sulfonate. This is the structure of methyl methane sulfonate. Next, intercalating agent. Intercalating agents intercalate between the bases. The acridine dies yttrium bromide is molecule which is able to insert themselves between the stacked bases of the DNA double helix. This brings about some unwinding of duplex DNA. This is the structure of yttrium bromide. Then actinomycin D inhibits both DNA and RNA polymerase. Actinomycin reacts with deoxyguanosine and intercalate between guanine and cytosine nucleotide pair. Okay, and then after intercalating they act as a nitrogenous base. So DNA during the process of DNA replication, DNA polymerase enzyme cannot recognize as a base and cause the termination of DNA replication at that point. Okay, and aflatoxin are potent liver carcinogens produced by moles. They also intercalate next to purines. Then next categories of analogs of bases or nucleotides. Some of the artificially base analogs are incorporated in DNA. They generally block some stage in the biosynthesis of purine and pyrimidine nucleotides. They resemble the structure like normal bases. Thus, act as a guanine inhibits the biosynthesis of GMP, and 6-mercaptopurine block the conversion of IMP into AMP. And whenever these nucleotides will not supply for DNA replication, then DNA replication process will inhibit. Then the third category of inhibitors, and after this one more analog is there, that is D-arabinosyl nucleosides. They are effective analogs of deoxyribonucleosides, and it causes chain termination or reduction in the rate of further chain extension. This is the structure of cytosine beta 1D arabinoside. And DNA polymerase is also inhibited by acetylcholine, which is a tetracycline diterpene tetrol. Third category of DNA inhibitors is inhibitors of topoisomerase enzyme, which actually help in the to relieve the torsional tension or pressure during the process of DNA replication. The gyrase enzyme is sensitive to antibiotic coumaromycin and novobiocin, and also sensitive to nalidixic acid and oxolinic acid. So this is all about the inhibitors which inhibit the DNA replication process.